All right, well, on to our first segment of the day. Vivek now joins in with all the top stock movers of today. Vivek.
Well, thank you so much for that. Quite a lot to choose from, especially, till 2:30 p.m. After that, like you mentioned, did see a bit of selling pressure. Now, the first set of stocks today, that did really well and which has been in the news for the last 2 weeks at least, has been the oil and gas names. A lot of uncertainty, but today, a positive brokerage news flow, positive commentary coming from the oil and gas minister, and also one commentary indicating that there could be further attempts being made to bring natural gas under the ambit of GST. All of this led to the entire pack being quite active and abuzz in today's trading session. The next set of stocks, that continued their rally was the entire railway pack. Both PSUs as well as private wagon makers joined the rally today. Have a look at names like Railtel, Ircon, IRCTC. Railtel joined us today and gave quite positive commentary in terms of order inflows that they expect. The next stock on the radar was Home First Finance. This particular stock, it gained and surged on the back of Investec brokerage note that came about. They retained a buy stance on the stock. They have quite a lofty target price of 1,200 rupees a share, and the stock ended higher by almost 7%. The next set of stocks are two stocks from the infra space. The first one, of course, was NBCC. A lot of positive news across the entire infra space. Along with that, an order inflow share of over 800 crores that the company got today led to the stock ending higher by close to 10%. The other stock, one that we don't discuss too often, was HCC. After a while, you saw some institutional coverage on this particular name. Elara, has initiated coverage on the stock. They believe that at this particular price, rating upgrades have come in. They have quite a lofty target price at 60 rupees a share. And they believe the company is now poised to go ahead and bid for new contracts. 18% higher is where HCC ended at. The last stock, as far as the gaining list was concerned, was Tata Chemical. One of the peer groups of the company, US based, has gone ahead and increased soda ash prices. Tata Chemicals does have a significant presence over there, so it bodes quite well as far as soda ash prices for Tata Chem in the US is concerned, and this is something that led to the stock surging almost 2% in the session today. On the other hand, not too many stocks that were in the red, but some stocks, on the back of specific news flow of block deals that ended quite lower. PNC Infratech, news that the company itself has gone ahead and to inform the exchanges that SEBI went ahead and conducted search operations at both the corporate office and at the MD's residence. Stock ended lower sharply. IRB Infra, last week you saw promoter selling stake. Today, a strategic investor, Sintra, selling stake. Stock ended lower by 5.5%. And Heritage Foods, the stock doubled in the last 12 trading sessions. Today, saw a bit of profit booking, ending at the lower circuit.
All right, Vivek, thank you very much for that. So interesting wrap out. That move on HCC came in a very sharp move there, 18% higher, as Vivek said.